In today's tutorial, we'll walk you through how to integrate the CometChat UI Kit for React into an existing Next.js application. We'll follow the step-by-step guide provided in the CometChat documentation. Let's get started. CometChat offers two integration options. 1. Visual Builder. This is a pre-assembled UI that allows you to enable or disable chat features and customize the chat experience, such as themes, colors, and fonts, using the Visual Builder. You can then download the code and integrate it directly into your application. 2nd, UI Components. With this approach, you assemble CometChat's pre-built components to create the chat experience you want. For this tutorial, we'll follow the Next.js guide provided in the CometChat documentation. Step 1. Register a CometChat account. First, sign up for a CometChat account on the CometChat dashboard. I've already completed this step and created an account. Step 2. Create a CometChat application. Next, create a new CometChat application. Once your application is ready, you can proceed to set up the development environment. Step 3. Set up the development environment. Make sure you have the following installed: Node.js, a code editor such as Visual Studio Code or Cursor, NPM or Yarn as a package manager. Step 4. Create a Next.js project. Follow the Next.js setup instructions and create your project. After setting it up, run the app to ensure it's working. Step 5. Install CometChat dependencies. Use the provided command to install the CometChat dependencies in your project. Step 6. Initialize the CometChat UI Kit and set up login. CometChat provides a code snippet for initializing the UI Kit and handling user login. You can initialize the UI Kit at the start of your app and log in users wherever it makes the most sense for your workflow. In this tutorial, we'll log in the user right after initialization. Step 7. Choose the chat experience. CometChat offers 3 standard chat experiences. 1. Conversation list plus message view. A 2-panel layout showing the conversation list on the left and the active chat window on the right. 2. One-on-one or group chat window. A dedicated chat window without a conversation list. 3. Tab-based chat experience. Includes tab navigation to switch between chat, call logs, users, and settings. For this tutorial, we'll integrate the conversation list plus message view. Step 8. Build the conversation list plus message view. This layout has 3 main sections. Sidebar displays the conversation list. Message view shows chat messages for the selected conversation in real time. Message Composer provides an input field to type and send messages, with support for media, emojis, and reactions. Step 9. Implement the sidebar. We'll start by creating the sidebar using the CometChat selector. Copy the provided code and folder structure, including the associated styles, and paste them into your project. Step 10. Render the CometChat experience. Follow the structure outlined in the documentation. Copy the integration code Add your CometChat app ID, region, and auth key from the dashboard. Use one of the sample CometChat user IDs, or your own app's users. Step 11. Update the component and styles. Make sure to render the component in your app. Update the CSS as required. Step 12. Run the application. Run the app to verify everything is working. And that's it. We've successfully integrated the CometChat UI Kit for React into our existing Next.js application.